Good afternoon, friends, my subscribers, my students, and the entire viewers. My name is Okoyeocha from the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis as I do every week. I apologize for those who wanted to watch my analysis last week, but they could not because I couldn't make video. I traveled to my village for something important. Okay, so today, if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe, then you have to note that this is analysis and forecast, not an advice to buy or sell. For you to buy or sell, you must know that there's risk involved. Myself, sometimes I lose. I make profit most of the time, but sometimes I lose. So there's no guarantee that you must make profit while following me. That's been the fact. So, but if you have knowledge, you will win most of the time and lose sometimes. That is, you may take 10 trades, lose 7, win win 7, lose 6, or win 6, lose 4, or win 8, lose 2, something like that. You can equally win all of them, but not guaranteed. Okay, so let's dive into the business of the day. Remember, this is DXY. That's where we usually start. So my target remains something lower. Then I want to point something out here. We might get a big correction. This is daily chart, and I will show the daily chart again on other pages. Okay, so we may end up getting a big uh, a big ABC. That is A, B, C. Before going down again, which means we can see 102, 103 before going down again. Though this is my second bias. So my main bias is on my main bias is on lower time frame. So let me go down to 1 hour time frame. So this is what I'm looking for. So to me, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So I am projecting A, B, C, then down again. If Even if it will go a much higher, better, because I will be planning to buy this. If I get a nice A, B, I will buy this. So if this begin to move, if it turn out to be an impulse that will go higher, as I show you on daily time frame, better for me, more profit. Okay. So what matters is for you to know where the market is going. Is very important. If you don't know how we make money, USD card, the same situation. I'm expecting to go up around 1.38, 1.39 or thereabout before selling again. So once I see a nice wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with B, I will buy. So I think next week we'll be mostly buying on USD pays. USD Chef is also buying. Is also buying, but the buying might not be much to compare others. So this with B, with C, we still complete. Please. Then the second thing is that we may get a double correction. That is, if USD card will go higher, we may end up getting WXY, something like this, before selling. That is, we get W here, A, B, C. We get W here, then X here, then Y here, before we now go down. So, USD, we expect it to sell more if it goes up again, it will drop further before it will now buy. The buying haven't finished. Remember, USD is opposite of DXY. So let me show you daily. What am I showing you daily is that we might get a deeper correction, something like this before this. So be mindful of that. So don't focus only on lower time frame. If you focus on only lower time frame, you will surely be confused when market begins to move against you, because lower time frame, higher time frame is split to lower time frame. So now okay, this far. So let's go down to pounds USD. That's the next. Pounds USD. The same situation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A wave, B wave, C. So I will sell this before I will buy this. Okay, so they are going the same direction. Meanwhile, there's something I want to show you on 4 hours on pounds USD. We may get what we call running flat, something like this before buying. So it may go deeper than we expected, or even an expanding flat. It may do this, break this low, drop further before buying. So just pay attention on daily time frame. While we look for entry on 1 hour time frame, we also pay attention to daily time frame in case it will make a bigger correction, as I show you on DSY and Euro USD. AUD USD. I'm looking for it's still buying. So we want to know where the correction will stop. So let's take a look at 4 hours to know whether there's something different we're looking at. So nothing different we're looking at, but it is like making an ending diagonal. So it's making ending diagonal. We likely see it make a new high before a major drop. A major selling will start. New Zealand USD is going up, making something that seems to be ending the diagonal once more. So we keep watching as it develops. So just watch out. We see something like this before selling. Okay, but they are going the same direction as Euro USD. Euro JPY. Let me show you daily again, so that you know where we are heading to. Remember, for many weeks now, I said that I will not focus on selling until I see the price come to this zone. 167.4 to 170 is the zone I'll be looking for sell. I do sell anyway, but it's a short time sell. For me to sell and leave it for maybe 1 week or thereabout, I need to see the price come to this zone to give me the expected big W X Y before this drop. Okay, that's the beauty of Elliott Wave analysis. We will see the future and it will begin to confirm what you saw. So now I'm looking for buy. If I get a good correction or a good buy setup, see when you see something like this, when you see something like this, it doesn't mean that the market must come to this zone. It means that here is what I expect the market to come before I will look for buy setup. So, but if I see buy setup before it comes to this zone, I will still buy. Or if the market comes down to this zone, if there's no buy setup, I won't buy, because it can just come to this place, do this, drop again before buy setup will appear. So all these things is what I will teach you if you join my mentorship program. I mentor people, I teach. So if you like my style, you can join my mentorship program. You also see links to my Telegram channels, 3 of them. 2 is free, 1 is for students. If you join the free ones, I share three setups every now and then, sometimes 2, 3 in a week. But if you join mentorship, you'll be getting lots of trades. Before you will graduate, you would have made times 5 of the money you paid for mentorship. So that's something awesome. USJPY, I'm expecting it to give me. Okay, let me show you daily. I think daily have something to show us. Daily. Okay, so daily, there are 2 things I will show you on daily here. One is this. This is likely to happen. Then another one, this is also likely to happen. Whichever one we are doing, we will know that the trend is down. The trend is down. So whatever happens, it is down. Whether it will come down from here, or from here, the trend is still down. So whichever one that will happen, we know it from lower time frame. But for you to know it, you will know how to read the chart. I won't teach you that from here. No. Join the class and you will learn. So here is what I'm looking for this to happen before I sell. Okay. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Let me show you daily again. This is what I expect. 200, 202, 203, 204 is the zone I'm looking for to get the required W, X, Y, just like other EM pays. Then from here, the big drop will happen. So for now, my focus is on lower time frame. So let me show you 1 hour. My focus is to buy. Then we may get, there's something okay, let me show you 4 hours again. There's something I'm seeing on Pound JPY, which I don't see on USD JPY and USD JPY. We may get this big drop before we buy again, because we are already at the reversal zone. So this might end up being a correction to continue buying. But this is what I'm expecting to happen. Okay, whether it will happen or not, I don't know. When market begin to form patterns, then I will know the one that will happen. But for now, we have an A, B, C already. So it can be W, I don't know. Then this can equally be an A, B, C. Market will decide. When we see the pattern, we know what the market is trying to do. Gold. Let me show you daily on gold. Anything on daily on gold. Okay. Gold. The possibility of gold giving us WXY is here, which means gold might come to 3,000, 2009, 2950, or this zone before buying again. I am working with structure. I don't wait for news to trade. I don't care about news. I don't care about what Trump is saying, what Putin is saying. What Trump will say tomorrow, I will see it on the chart. Yes, you hear me right. What Trump will say tomorrow, I will see it from the chart. Okay, so as we have seen daily on gold. So this is 4 hours. Let me go show you 1 hour. The 1 hour is where I want to focus. Now, what am I showing you this? This is an ideal A, B, C. Okay, so now after that, you see this yellow chart, yellow line. This is first bias. Then this white line means that this ABC can turn to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. They continue going down. That's why I put this very white line and yellow line. So both of them, this white line is if gold will make the bigger WXY I show you on daily, then this won't happen. This will rather happen. This will rather happen. So you must see the possible patterns that will play out. Then, but if the price goes above this place, then we may not see this happening. Okay, be mindful of that, so that you prepare your trade very well. Silver is a wonder to behold. Silver is a wonder to behold. There was so much strength on silver, though I think 3 months ago I said that silver may give us anyway. Let me not go there. Let me not go there. So silver will equally correct. Just let me go to 1 hour. Silver will equally correct. Something like this. Is a kind of 5 waves. Maybe it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it will drop. So a little move up, the dropping will continue. So that's for silver. Platinum is equally strong as silver. So expect something similar. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 before selling. Okay, so that's for platinum. Okay, so oil. Okay, as I say always, oil is one of my favorites. So now, for a long time, I told you if you watching my analysis, I said that oil, I won't sell oil until I see it at this zone. It keeps delaying, keep wasting time, and I still focus that oil will likely come to this zone before I begin to sell. So now oil is almost there. So then what we will be conscious of is that when oil finally comes to this place we are looking for, it may go a bit higher to this zone, or even to this zone before selling. What matters is that I'm looking for sell setup. Wherever I see it, I will take it. If you don't know what sell setup is, I will advise you to join the class. Join the class, and we teach you everything. Okay, that's for oil. And I think oil is the last one we are going to show you today. Let me now go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we will conclude with Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, I posted 2 charts on Bitcoin on my Telegram channel for the students. Okay. This is, okay, let me show you daily, or no need anyway, but from my analysis for a long time, I said that Bitcoin is coming to between 114K and 120K. I still maintain my stand. I haven't changed. But you must know, as I say always, I do not control the market. I'm only making forecasts based on analysis. Now, imagine from 75,000 or for 7,000, I said it's come to 114 to 1,000. Then if it turns at 112, I think I have tried. Why am I saying this? The reason I'm saying this is that in as much that this looks corrective in nature, let me show you 4 hours and 1 hour. This looks corrective in nature. It looks corrective in nature. Okay? Now, secondly, it can equally be impulse, which is what we call leading diagonal. So if the market, this can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So if this is 5 waves, then the market will not break this level. If it does, it can equally break this level. If it is leading diagonal, before it comes to this zone again, it will begin to sell. Okay. Secondly, this is WXY. Let me clear this. So this can equally be WXY. In that case, this will happen, and the buying will continue to buy. Okay. Thirdly, it can still come down to this zone, and it will be part of leading the diagonal. Then it will come up, begin to go down, and never go to 114 and above again. So these 2 things will happen. 2 or 3 things will happen. So mind you, if anyone comes up, I take it. I will be looking for buy setup from here. If I get buy setup from here, I will buy. If I don't get it, I'll be waiting till I get the buy setup. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Join our channels for free. They are all free. We will charge you for joining our Telegram channel. You have many things to gain, nothing to lose. Then if you like my style and want to learn from me, it's up to you to make the little payment. You can contact me with my phone number. The phone number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. Contact me, and I do it to my students channel. Okay. Bye.